there are so many things. We have, several dozens of these interviews which we had done. It was an eye opener even for journalists. It wasn't just, ہم لوگ سوچتے کچھ لوگ ہیں. No, there are hundreds of people like this. He came 26/11/2008.
Yeah.
26/11/2008. He came to India.
And he's been living 17 years. And no questions asked.
And he has voted. And he says tab yahan pe state government tha.
The state government does not give him the right to vote if he is holding a Pakistani passport.
No, so obviously somebody has... Who messed up? There are so many cases like this. I can't understand. یہ لانگ ٹرم ویزا مطلب تم 40 سال سے کچھ لوگ ہیں جو یہاں پہ رہ رہے ہیں کہتے ہیں ہم لانگ ٹرم ویزا پہ ہیں. How many years can you have long term visa and live in this country? Which country allows that?
Absolutely. So,
So explain
so
to
it's
me.
coming, this case is a surprise for me because, my understanding of long-term visa was these were Pakistani women married to Indian men. They were intermarriages, and there are multiple such cases of marriages and people getting long-term visas. So how such a person would get a visa and come and vote, this is something we need to look at very carefully because, I thought every sort of case is vetted by the Home Ministry very, very carefully before a long-term visa is given. So this puzzles me. I don't know.
But this is also to do with a problem which has been there. It has not really come out big time, but these are manifestations of that problem, which is that since we say that the entire POK is a part of India, there is, I'm not entirely sure of it. There is a grey area where there is a kind of a right to return.
پر یہ تو پنڈی سے آیا ہی سینگ.
نہیں بٹ ہو سکتا ہے فرام کشمیری اس کا ہو نا ایکسٹریکشن کا. بہت سارے کشمیری تو اب یہ اوری میں رہتا ہے. اوری سے مطلب کہ جو نارمل وہ ہوتا تھا کہ وہ راول پنڈی میں جا کے سیٹل ہو جاتے تھے یا لاہور میں ہو جاتے تھے. تو دیر از اے لاٹ آف پیپل ہو ول ہیو گون فرام بیسیکلی دے بلانگ ٹو سم پارٹ آف POK اینڈ دے ہیو گون ٹو دیٹ سائڈ اینڈ ناؤ دس گائے از کم ٹو اوری.
وہ نیچرلائز سٹیزن ہو جانا چاہیے تھا. مطلب 17 سال.
وہ ہے ہی نہیں.
Whose fault is it? Is it our Ministry of Home Affairs which keeps giving long-term visa but will not make them naturalized citizens? What is this process?
One of the things that I think what Sushant is mentioning is the cross LOC movement was permitted, and that was permitted on permits rather than even visas. So people could move back, and the rationale was that across borders there are split families in Jammu and Kashmir, so people can go back and forth.
That was around 2005-06 if
No, and it started then and it continued both cross-border trade.
That is when that bus thing started, right?
Buses, trade, and also movement of people, but it all stopped in 2019. So it's all been stopped for review of the security kind of conditions there. Now, there is the Adnan Sami model of your coming to India and asking for citizenship and getting in due course of time that citizenship. But that, I suspect, are very, very few people. Now, how this particular case puzzles me, but by and large, the understanding was these are inter-state marriages that people are getting married back and forth.
Roti beti ka rishta. بس بھی کرو. مطلب 40-50 سال you live in this country and you still don't take
Smita, that is also tells you, that also reflects the lack of understanding among people in India, especially in the Home Ministry. For example, people who would have vetted this entire process, and somewhere along the line it would be people in the Indian Home Ministry who would be responsible for whatever is happening in these kind of cases. How come you are so dumb that you don't know what is the long-term implication of something like this?
And this is
these
only
are people
now.
who have not changed their passports. They've not even applied for Indian citizenship. Right? They continues to hold a Pakistani passport, and he has a sense of entitlement. کہ یار مجھے کیوں نکال رہے ہو, میرے پاس پاکستانی پاسپورٹ ہے.
یہ ہمیں نہیں پتا whether
he says I came on a Pakistani passport.
ٹھیک ہے, but what I'm saying is that all these women especially جو ادھر سے شادی کر کے یہاں پہ آئی ہیں, سسرال ادھر ہے اور یہاں پہ مدرس,
so they are all with Pakistani passports.
But the point is that And now Pakistan is saying hum tumko wapas nahi lenge. ठीक है? अब the point is that maybe they have applied and it's not happened. That's also possible,
That is
which
also
we
possible.
don't know the details as yet. Ki application, because Home Ministry has not yet come out with this data of how many of these Pakistani passport holders on long-term visas have applied and their cases have been on pending basis. We still don't
यार
know.
ये तो फिर भी कुछ हजार या कुछ लाख होंगे. Let's talk about the
Bangladeshi situation.
हाँ.
If we talk, I mean, this is only one side of
वो तो अब
our.
सरकार बनाते हैं. They make governments in states.
So now we are. This is all the more reason why NRC should be brought about. Which country in the world doesn't have a registry of its own? Pakistan has it.
Yes, everybody has it, yaar.
We don't have it.
And these Pakistanis have been deporting these Afghans who've lived for 40, 50 years. They've been deporting them mercilessly. Nobody says anything about that. God forbid you were to start doing it to the Bangladeshis here. And suddenly all hell is going to, break loose.
No. And then what do you do if the country doesn't take them back?
You push them across.
Then what happens? Are they put in a camp? What is the...
No, so we've seen this phenomenon in the US, US-Mexico border. They were trying to send them. Sending back illegal immigrants is not very hard.
A complex situation, yeah.
But it is based on a certain process. You have to verify.
Yeah.
You have to check. And what it means is that we must be reviewing all our borders and all our border processes, because we want the right people to come in and the wrong people to be out.
Yeah.
And but there are also illegal crossings and so on. There are crossings from a porous Nepal border. So multiple things are happening.
Ajay, what happens? That, for example, now we are saying we are deporting these guys. Okay? The Pakistanis refuse to accept. What is the option? And tell me if I'm wrong. One option is that we say, okay, fine, we have a fence, and then there's a no man's land kind of a deal. We'll push these people out there, and we will not allow them to come back. Okay, it's a humanitarian disaster, but this is a humanitarian disaster of the Pakistani making. We are not responsible for it. These are not our citizens. Pakistani citizens, they need to take them. We are ready to share their papers, everything, we'll give it to them. Can we or can we not do that?
No, so this is a process. Exactly what is happening, and we are discussing with the Americans. Right? We are getting illegal immigrants from the US, which is saying these are your citizens, take them back. How are we doing that? We are saying there's a process. We'll go through the process, give us consular access. We will go and verify
whether
if
they are
indeed our citizens. They may be citizens of another country.
You're
and
talking
you're
about
pushing
a huge, complex situation
So
now.
we have to at least start. We have to first map them, get the numbers, and then start a process. Then enter into discussions. The embassies are open.
And it
They're
has to be
supposed
a cold, thought-out process. Isme you can't bring in this emotional aspect to it. And there's a lot of pushback that we are getting on social media. Why are you showing these women? Why are you showing this, interviewing
But
these
at least we get to
buzurg?
know that this...
Now we get to know.
Exactly. So this is news.
ये जो anti-CA protest वगैरह चल रहे थे,
इसीलिए चल रहे
थे, कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे क्योंकि तुम्हारे कागज थे नहीं भाई.
It is important to map everything, map and understand कितने हैं, and then go through the process, which is an internationally acceptable process of verifying which country citizens they are, and then starts the discussion on sending them back. And
and they're not just Kashmiris. There are people from Rajasthan. There are people from UP, Bihar,
Maharashtra, Gujarat.
There are so many from other states and Punjab. And there is one thing which we can play back, which just yesterday we got this, and we played it today on our service, where this woman says कि मैं 2 बच्चों को लेके आई यहाँ पे और मेरे बाकी बच्चे वहाँ पे है. मैं 6 साल से मेरी शादी हुई है. So she's got 2 children here and several out there in the 6 years of marriage. She has an Indian passport, this woman. So the children are Pakistani passport holders. अब वो उसको आने नहीं दे रहे. Now she will have to hand over her 2 children to her husband who's on the other side if he has come to pick up his children. He already saddled with a couple of children there.
He hasn't taken another wife
already. So he has to take those 2 children. Now she will be stuck out here, जो अपने ailing mother, everybody has come to meet ailing mother supposedly. ailing mother को मिलने आई है. अब वो ना उस पार जा सकती है ना इस पार जा सकती है. पहली बात तो 6 साल पहले, which means you knew the situation in between India and Pakistan. Which parent is getting their kids married 6 साल पहले. I understand 15, 20, 40 साल पहले बुजुर्ग आए हैं. They're saying कि 40 साल से तो हमारी शादी हुई हुई है. That I kind of figure out. But ये 6 साल में you don't know what has been happening. Why are you sending your daughters to that country? Yeah.
पाकिस्तान में शादी होके गई हूँ कराची में, और यही दिल्ली की रहने वाली हूँ. मैं अपनी माँ से यहाँ मिलने आई थी. उनकी तबीयत बहुत खराब थी. जब फादर की डेथ हुई मैं तब भी नहीं आ सकी. मैं 6 साल बाद अब अपनी माँ से मिलने आई थी, तो मुझे इस तरह से जाना पड़ रहा है. लेकिन अब भी ये लोग मना कर रहे हैं, जाने नहीं दे रहे. अब आप बताएं, एक औरत का सिर्फ परिवार होता है, उसके बच्चे होते हैं, वही उसकी फैमिली होती है. उसके अलावा कोई और उसका नहीं होता. या फिर जब शादी हो जाती है तो कोई भाई बहन या माँ कुछ नहीं होता. वो घर
से आप यहाँ आ रहे हैं, कब से आ रहे हैं यहाँ जाने के लिए, और कहा अब क्या कहा?
अभी 2 दिन से हम यहाँ आ रहे हैं. कल भी अब यहाँ सुबह 6 बजे के आए हुए. हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे ये भी परेशान हो रहे हैं कि इनको भी जाना है, हमें जाना है. हर हाल में आज लाजमी जाना है. यहाँ से हमें इजाजत दिलवाएं आप लोग.
उन्होंने पाकिस्तानियों को अलाउ किया है कि उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया कि जिनके पाकिस्तान पासपोर्ट है उनको भेजा जाए. आपके बच्चों के पाकिस्तान पर, आप इंडियन पासपोर्ट,
मैं अपने बच्चों को नहीं जाने दूंगी मेरे बगैर.
जी,
मुझे मेरे बच्चों के साथ जाना है. मेरे वहाँ पर भी मेरे बच्चे हैं. मेरे बच्चे बहुत रो रहे हैं, बहुत परेशान हैं, बहुत रो रहे हैं. वो वीडियो कॉल्स पे, मम्मा कब आओगे, मुझे मेरी फैमिली से मिला दें. हुकूमत से मेरी गुजारिश है कि मुझे मेरी फैमिली से मिला दें. मेरी बच्चे, मेरी 2 बच्चियां हैं वहाँ पर, मेरी बेटियां हैं, मेरा एक बेटा है. मुझे जाना है. मुझे
हाँ. So now this is the problem where she
can
is
go
an
to
Indian
Dubai.
passport holder. The children she doesn't want to send. अब ये this is not the problem. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, मुझे जाना है. अब वो लोग तुमको अंदर नहीं आने दे रहे. This is not India's problem. वो हुकूमत मुझे, अब कौन सी हुकूमत? उस मुल्क की हुकूमत ना, हमारी तो नहीं है.
Right.
We are saying go, but it's there.
We can't stop her from going, can we?
No. If she has a visa, but if the border at Wagah is closed, she'll have to take a flight to Dubai and go from that route.
Yeah. So whatever the situation now, they have to leave the country. Now I just I can't fathom the number of people who we had no clue. I think the government was right in saying that we need to have an NRC. Ab jo bhi, all those people who had doubts about NRC or CAA, this is the reason.
Yeah, but it's
and also it's important to map them. We need to know these numbers. We need to know how many people from which nationality and people with cross-border linkages and so on. It's important to know.
When you were High Commissioner, there must have been so many people who came like this.
There
to
were
you,
cases of marriages. We didn't have too many such cases because I think they were freely floating around across the borders with long-term visas. So they didn't enter our radar. But there were cases of marriages and people wanting to attend marriages and so on. And intermarriages continue because there are people-to-people links that continue. So we'll have to review, get the numbers, and then make these choices. Make these hard choices.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.